Coursera has become a global hub for online learning, connecting millions of students with top universities and instructors. But did you know that Coursera can also be your path to generating income? That's right. This platform offers fantastic opportunities to monetize your skills and knowledge. Whether you're passionate about teaching, have a knack for marketing, or excel in a specific field, Coursera provides avenues for you to earn while you learn. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve into the exciting world of making money with Coursera. We'll explore 3 primary methods: creating and selling your online courses, leveraging the power of affiliate marketing, and enhancing your freelance career. Get ready to unlock the secrets of turning your expertise into a profitable venture. With Coursera, the possibilities are endless. So, if you're eager to embark on a journey of knowledge sharing and income generation, keep reading. Let's dive in and explore the exciting world of making money with Coursera. Have you ever dreamt of teaching others and sharing your passion with a global audience? Coursera makes this dream a reality. Creating and selling your online course is a rewarding way to monetize your expertise. The first step is identifying your niche. What subjects are you passionate about? What knowledge do you possess that others would pay to learn? Once you've pinpointed your area of expertise, it's time to structure your course. Divide your content into digestible modules, each focusing on a specific aspect of your topic. Keep your lessons engaging by incorporating various multimedia elements like videos, quizzes, and interactive exercises. High-quality content is key to attracting and retaining students. Coursera provides a user-friendly platform to host and manage your course. You set the price, track student enrollment, and interact with your learners through forums and discussions. The more value you provide, the more successful your course will be. Remember, creating a successful online course requires dedication and effort, but the rewards are immense. Not only do you earn income, but you also impact lives by empowering individuals with valuable knowledge. Creating a great course is just the first step. Keeping your students engaged is equally crucial. How do you make your course stand out and provide real value to your learners? The key lies in creating an interactive and engaging learning experience. Instead of just presenting information, encourage active participation. Integrate quizzes, assignments, and real-world projects that allow students to apply their knowledge. Foster a sense of community by incorporating discussion forums. This allows students to connect, share their insights, ask questions, and learn from each other. Regular Quanda sessions with you, the instructor, can provide personalized guidance and support. Don't underestimate the power of feedback. Encourage students to provide reviews and suggestions. This helps you understand their needs and continuously improve your course content. Remember, an engaged student is more likely to complete the course and recommend it to others, leading to greater success for your online teaching journey. Section 4. Affiliate Marketing, Earning Through Recommendations. Beyond creating courses, Coursera offers another avenue for generating income: affiliate marketing. If you have a blog, website, or social media presence with a following interested in online learning, this could be your ticket to earning passive income. Coursera's affiliate program allows you to partner with them to promote their courses. You receive a unique affiliate link for each course you wish to promote. When someone clicks on your link and enrolls in the course, you earn a commission. The key to successful affiliate marketing is choosing courses that align with your audience's interests, provide genuine recommendations, and highlight the value and benefits of the course. Transparency is crucial in affiliate marketing. Clearly disclose that you are an affiliate and may earn a commission from qualifying purchases. By promoting valuable courses and being upfront with your audience, you can build trust and generate a steady stream of passive income. Section 5. Freelancing Power-Up. Level up your skills, earn more. In today's competitive job market, continuous learning is no longer optional, it's essential. Coursera can be your secret weapon to enhance your freelance career and unlock greater earning potential. Identify in-demand skills in your field and enroll in relevant Coursera courses. Whether it's mastering a new programming language, improving your writing skills, or gaining expertise in digital marketing, Coursera offers a plethora of courses to boost your freelance profile. Completing these courses demonstrates your commitment to professional development and provides you with valuable credentials to showcase to potential clients. The knowledge and skills you gain can help you deliver higher quality work, command higher rates, and stand out in a crowded freelance market. Investing in your education through Coursera is an investment in your freelance career. So, leverage the power of online learning to level up your skills, gain a competitive edge, and unlock new income opportunities. Section 6. Getting started and overcoming challenges. Your journey to success. Embarking on a journey to make money with Coursera is exciting, but it's essential to be aware of potential challenges and equip yourself with the right mindset. One common challenge is procrastination. With the flexibility of online learning, it's easy to put off coursework, set realistic goals, create a study schedule, and stick to it as much as possible. Remember, consistency is key. Another challenge is staying motivated. Learning online requires self-discipline. Find ways to stay engaged, whether joining study groups, seeking support from fellow learners, or rewarding yourself for milestones achieved. Don't be afraid to seek help. Coursera offers support resources and forums where you can connect with instructors and fellow students. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. With persistence and determination, you can overcome obstacles and achieve your goals. Section 7. Conclusion: unlock your potential with Coursera. Coursera has emerged as a powerful platform for both learning and earning. Whether you choose to share your knowledge by creating courses, leverage the reach of affiliate marketing, or enhance your freelance career through skill development, Coursera offers diverse avenues for income generation. Remember, success on Coursera requires dedication, quality content, and a willingness to adapt and learn. Engage with your students, promote courses ethically, and continuously improve your skills. Embrace the possibilities that Coursera presents. Unlock your potential, share your expertise, and embark on a rewarding journey of knowledge sharing and income generation. The world of online learning awaits.